Heyo! What's happening, everybody? Happy Sunday. Happy middle of May. Time to do some game dev. Ring to Wiz, glad you can be here. Gonna be doing some bug fixing, as always. There's always bugs. But the big thing I want to do today is I want to at least get started on that second half of the item drop and inventory system, I guess. Because we have it set up right now so that the game just continues if all players pass, meaning no one wants the item, you just move along. Now we need something in place for when people actually roll for it. And doing that on the Unreal side, I think will be fine. Thing I'm worried about is going over to the client side and saving what player has what items. Because you can set it nice and easy, but getting it to save and stay persistent might be a little weird. But we'll see what we can do. Anywho, things are looking good on my end. As always, if I sound weird or look weird, besides like, what I normally look like, please let me know. But anywho, let's go ahead and get into it. So, sorry. Get that out of here, we don't need that just yet. So let's just play and see where we're at. You always look weird, thanks. I appreciate that. I know I do, it's fine. Speaking of my looks though, I actually just bought one of those like beard growth kits, because I don't know if you can see it, but I have a very scraggly beard and mustache, and I'm going to see if I can fill that out a little bit. So over the next several weeks, you might notice a difference. If it doesn't work, it's whatever. I don't really expect much from it, but we'll see. I've always wanted a beard, just don't have the genetics for it. Anywho, let's go ahead and head over to our main menu here. And let's just play the game to remind ourselves what state we are in currently. So there's that. Guess now I can pull up the phone view again. Give me just a second. Where is it? Here it is. Let me go back here. There we go. Actually, let me keep that up. Alright. So, tab back in here so it's not laggy. Or not as laggy, I guess. On my character Sid, just add some customization stuff. That's fine. Did that again. Okay. Hang on. Let me try. That's an occasional bug that I've experienced before. It just doesn't assign me to the leader. It like thinks there's already a player there. But there we go. I don't know. Even if I've heard like olive oil can help beard growth. Huh. Part of the growth kit that I got, it includes this bottle of what's called beard oil. I don't know exactly what is in it, but it's supposed to help. I wonder. I'm not just gonna go like slather olive oil on my face, but I feel like that would just make me break out. But interesting thought. Anywho, press start. We go to the forest level, and it's just me, of course. I'm the only player that joined. We added that little fog effect for when they show up. It's not very good. I want to change it up. Find a different particle effect for that, but it's fine. Come back. Guys. Oh, that's right. We set it so that an item drops every single time because we were testing stuff last time. So we did fix the rotation of the item, so now it looks like how it should, I guess. But I'm gonna pass on this item because the game will just stop if I don't. So because everyone in the group passed on it, it's just lost and game continues. I think that's really all we did. Yeah, instead of that like super high res fog that shows up there when the enemy spawns, I'd like more of like a cartoony-ish fog. I don't know how to describe it, but if I can find it, I'll add it in. I'll pass. I don't know if I fixed this or not. I remember when I was last week when I was updating the items so that they rotate correctly. I think the backpack is upside down, but I have to check. Looking real good so far, actually. Thank you. I appreciate that. That's what I'm trying to go for. Alright, the rotation of the bow is a little wonky, but it's much better than what it was if you were here back when you... what I had it before. It doesn't, like, span off the screen now. Because it almost looks like the item is just floating above the dead corpse, right? That's kind of what I want. And then once I get finished with this item drop system, I've already added in a system for the ghosts, which is bugged, of course. But fix that up. Then we can get started on mini games, which I'm super excited for. I think that's gonna be a lot of fun because that's basically like making a whole new game, but it's still contributing towards this game. And I can just do that until the end of time if I wanted to. Speaking of, if you're interested in, or if you have an idea for a mini game, there's a Google form. Link to it is down below. You can submit your ideas to me. I will not just steal your idea. I will always ask you for permission to use your ideas before I use them. But it's also good for if, say, you just think of an idea for a game at some point and you just want it down on paper, because you will get a copy of it to keep for yourself for later, like if you decide to take it further and actually start developing it. It's a really nice way to get your thoughts down on paper so you don't forget it. But if you'd like to contribute to this game, you can always make ideas for mini games. And if I like them, I'll add them. Just a little criteria though. I'm trying to make it so that the mini games for this are like snippets of other games, because this is a game that I plan to play with all my friends, and so far all the mini games, or the mini game ideas that have been submitted, have all been like our favorite games. So like we have one for World of Warcraft, we have one for Ghost of Tsushima, one for Elder Scrolls Oblivion, and the mini games are just going to be small pieces of those games. That's the idea. So if you have a game that you like, you think of a mini game that's a little snippet of that game, please submit it into that Google form. I'll take a look at it. If I'm interested in using it, I will reach out to you. I promise you I will not steal your ideas. I'm not here to do that. Alright, so I died. I stay dead, which is good. There's the backpack. Backpack is still upside down. Okay, I gotta fix that. I remember last week though, I was having a issue with the ghosts. So like when players died, there was occasionally some players would just die like when they have half health. And I don't know why that was, but it was only when they were part of the test group. And I don't know if that's the reason why that was happening, is because it wasn't an actual player. It's just inputted data. I don't know, but might have to play around with that a little more. Okay, let's get rid of this phone view here. Go back to go back to our forest level. Sorry if you just heard my phone vibrate. I know it's super loud on my desk. Turn that off. What was I doing? Turning the backpack so it's right side up. Items. No. UI items. Yes. That's really horrible naming convention, I know. Armor. Yeah. You. I just need to grab you. Rotate you. Let's see, Z's going around this way, so I guess just do this. Rotate you 180 degrees that way. And that should do it. Easy peasy. Alright, alright, so I guess let's just get started on this item drop system, right? And just kind of see where we get. Been kind of daunting me the past several weeks, because I just think about everything that could be involved with it, and it just makes my brain explode. Nope. Forest, I think we need a group. Let's see, where's get highest roll? That's what we want. Yep. So we have things set up right here for if everyone passes, right? Item is lost. That's all fine. But now we need something for determining who had the highest roll, right? So, if we do that, then we can, let's see. I guess we'll need a for each loop in here, going through our, wait, no, we're already doing this. We already looped through the players and we set the temp high, set temp highest player. So by the end of this loop, that temp highest player will be the highest rolling player, right? So then if it's false, then we say get our local variables, grab our temp highest player. Nope, not set it, get it. Thank you. Get our temp highest player, and we have to we need to find the player from this array that has this name. What would be the way to do that? Let's say in our find function for an array, find item. Let's add this here. Like you in there. So can we just do like, can we say make player name? Will that work? Probably not, right? And what does it return? The index of the player? Yeah. I don't know. Let's just, I don't know if this will work or not. That's why we're going to use a print string. So, plug this here. So this will return -1 if it's not found, right? So if it returns anything else, it's returning the index of the item, right? So yeah, let's try that. And then if I, oh shoot, nope, wait, I need to go back to the main menu because I need to be playing. This won't work with the test group. Not that. Main menu. Yeah, sure, save selected. Back to my main menu on my phone here. And as I'm doing testing, if there's a certain name you want the character to have, go ahead and post it in chat and I will definitely make the character that name. Alright. So there should be an item drop every time because I still have that set. We can test this out. So I'm going to try rolling now. Obviously the game's going to not continue because it hasn't been set up yet. But I want to see what it prints out. If it finds the player that rolled the highest or not. Such a weird effect that they have. It's just the way that I have that, what do you call it? Like green screen, so it's just the item showing up. Anyway, I'm gonna roll for this item. I got a 98. That's really good, you know, because it's a max of 100. So I got a really good roll there. And anybody see anything print? I didn't see anything print. Check my output log here. Make sure I didn't miss anything. No. It did not print. Did not print anything. Why did it not print anything? It definitely went this way because the game stopped. Why did you not print anything? It gets highest roll. Let me... Okay. So... Timer end. Yeah. Where is timer end item drop in the HUD? I have to like backtrack because I gotta figure out how it's working because there are so many different things in this game that I forget. UI item drop. Item drop has the timer end here. Yep. Right here, start timer, which is called here. Yeah, right here. Called start timer, and then it binds the event. Then it sets timer by event, right? This is what does the countdown, and then once the timer reaches 0, it clears the timer so that it doesn't continue running, and then it calls timer end. Okay. I mean, once the timer is done, then this event gets called. So then it goes through each player, checks their roll value. If it's greater than 0, then... Oh, wait. Oh! That might be the issue. So if it's equal to 0, it does that. If it's false, it does nothing. I guess, hang on. That should go there. And maybe that's the issue. So let's try this again. Go back here. Did I get any names? No, I didn't. Okay. As always, if you want to see a name that you choose to be the character, feel free to just put it in chat. Okay. They go to minigame, comes back, enemy dies, takes damage, got the basic helmet. Alright, let's roll. 79, another decent roll. Not as good as 98, but still not bad. Then once this timer runs out, I kind of want to make something so that if, like, that detects when all players have rolled, so that I can just, it doesn't have to, you know, go all the way through the timer, but I don't know. Fuck, I missed. Did it print anything? I don't think it did it? Oh, it did. Okay. It printed -1, so it did not find the player. Alright. That's what we needed. That is what we needed to know. Phone view out of here. Alright. Now we can go back to here. Actually, no, we don't need to go back there. We just need to go here. Okay, so that gets called correctly now. So here, it's just not finding that player. So instead, we will have to... we will have to loop through all the players again and see which one has that name, I guess. Actually, this is gonna be for each with break. just for efficiency's sake. Because if we find the player in the first element of this array, we don't want it to keep looping through all the other players, you know? So we do this. The body, if we break this, or no? Do we have to break it? Can we just say get name? Damn. Guess we have to break it. All right. So if name equals, where did my temp highest player, and then branch. We do that. If that's true, we then, well, actually, we'll need to emit a thing so that the client updates that that player gets the item. We'll need to emit an event there, but we'll change that up in a second. After we emit, then we say break, and once it has completed, I don't know, I would kind of like to have some animation for like saying like this player got this item, but I mean we'll have to equip the item to that player too. How do I want to do that? I don't know. I'm doing it again. I'm thinking about too much at one time. So for now, we will just call this again. Resume movement and respawn enemy so that the game continues. Oh, we'll also want to do this. Yeah. So how about we do this and then do this? Yes. That's better. And yeah, I know you're having an issue. Let's do this. Really messy, it's fine. For now, I don't know, we'll call the event player receive item. And then we'll have to plug in the player's ID and the item, but that's for a later time. Right now, I just want to make sure that the game will continue after a player gets the item. Sounds like my roommate just got home. Anywho. Oh, I forgot to do something. Hey, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, YouTube. Go follow me on those. If you're not following me on Twitch, follow me on Twitch so you know when I'm streaming, even though I say when I'm streaming every Sunday night. Really appreciate it if you could do that. Please and thank you. Additionally, got an Extra Life campaign running, trying to raise $1,000 by the end of the year. I'm currently at $40. I actually need to donate more. Let me do that right now. Because, one, it helps out kids in need. But two, you get to see me suffer, because every dollar donated to my Extra Life, I will do one push-up on stream for. So, if you're generous enough, I will have to really suffer by the end of this year. Because I've got about, what, 960 more push-ups to go? Once again, please and thank you. Give me just a second here. Because I'm gonna make a donation real quick. Sorry. Hopefully this isn't loud. Listen, you might hear a loop for a second. Hang on.
I'm definitely happy to entertain any of those.
Quiet. Quiet, you. Okay. there's that. Make a donation here. Hang on, gotta enter some information. Oh wait, that's not what I wanted. Nope, that's not what I want. Sorry, I have to do it again. Oh, it's gonna be a lot. Alright, it's fine. Sorry if this is boring for you. Just give me 1 second. And there it is. All right. $25, 25 push-ups. Let me get my camera so you get to see my wonderful feet again. Where did you go? There you are. Set you up. Ah. Ow, you're still falling over. Done. You're gonna fall over this time? Okay. Hope you enjoy. Here we are. Here's my room. Here's my feet. I donated. Ah, shit. I just knocked it over. Hang on. Alright. I donated $25. So, 25 push-ups it is. Who knows if I can do them all in one go. But, let's see. I don't have enough room here either, so I don't really get to see my whole body. 25 push-ups. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. Hope you all enjoyed that. That was for you, kids. That was for you. Give me just a second. Ooh. All right. Now that we got that out of the way, I'm honestly surprised I can do 25 in one go. Push-ups are not my strong suit at all. I'm sure my form wasn't great, and I'm sure I'll be called out on that either on YouTube or wherever people see this. Whew. I need a minute. Catch my breath. So, if you want to see me suffer more, now would be the time to do it. Because I will stick to that pledge of $1 equals 1 donation push-up on stream. But it gets us closer to our goal. I don't need to drink that right after push-ups. I need water. That's better. You're welcome for that. Okay. Now back to our regularly scheduled programming. I'm gonna be out of breath for the next 10 minutes or so. Hope you don't mind. By the way, none of that money goes to me. I hope you know that. I don't see any of it. It goes straight to the St. Vincent Children's Hospital Network. So I'm not benefiting from this at all, other than maybe getting some gains in my chest, because I do all the push-ups. Okay. Anywho, why is the details panel so fucking large? There we go. Okay, what were we doing? We have it set up so that players, or the game continues if players roll, right? So let's just test that out, I guess. Nothing should happen client side. Let's go here. Open up my phone screen again. Hang on. There we go. As always, you want to see your name in the game, or whatever name you want, I guess, in the game, with certain restrictions, obviously. Post a name in chat, I will put it in. But until then, the character's name will be Sid. Ooh. Alright, so now if I roll when the item drops. Okay, got the bow. So if I roll, I got a 95. That's another good roll. Holy shit. Getting really good rolls tonight. Anywho, once the timer runs out, the game should continue. But we'll see, I guess. He's continuing walking. Is a new enemy gonna spawn? It is. Oh, we didn't go back either. Need to omit that message. Or I can just, well, yeah. And now a new item popped up. Huh. 79, another high-ish roll. Not the best, but better. If you're wondering where I'm getting that number from, it's right here. It shows up there. Maybe, I don't know, should I add something on the phone screen to say what you rolled? I feel like it's not important to do that. Okay, cool. Looks like the game's working. Put that down. Oops. Get rid of the phone view for a second. Alright, so we need to add, what is it? This event. Show all inventories, right? We need to omit that event down here. Just so that it goes back to the inventory screen. But also, we need to set up this event to player receive item. So the message, I forget how to pass a message in. I have to like set it to a JSON object, right? Yeah. We have to construct JSON string value? I don't know if that's right. Let me go look. This one? Do JSON value string. Yeah, this one. I guess we want an array though, because we both, with this message, we want to send the ID and what else? Oh, and the object, right? Let's see. Well, either way. Here, plus that a little bit. I'm gonna say construct, what is it? Construct JSON array. No, wait. Can we say make array? No. How do I do it? Shit. Not this. To JSON value from string. But we want to pass in multiple values. Maybe just take this right here so we get the node. And then we also want another thing for the item, right? So where's shit, the item num. Maybe we can add an input for the item num. You're gonna be an integer. And I doubt that I can just plug that in there. Item drop, yeah. Add an input for the item num here. Can I do that? And then if I plug this in here, I don't know if that's how that works, but can I not like add it in here? No, can't. Okay. All right. Let me just remove you, I guess. Plug you back in here. So add another variable. Current item num integer, and then that current item num, that in there. That item drop cleans things up a little bit, and then we say current item num here. Then we can go to our get highest roll here. And we can drag you to here, maybe? Yeah, to JSON value integer is what we want. Let me add a reroute node here. That you're a little bit cleaner. And I guess we don't need you anymore. We're gonna take these and then we're gonna say make array. Nope. Add pin, add pin. Yep. And then plug into the message here. We want that. Maybe that'll work. Anywho, so we have player receive item. That's the event that's going to be called on the WebSocket server. It's passing in these two values, the ID of the player and the item. So let's work with that. Go over here to, this is the file for our WebSocket server. We need to add, something has changed here. Why is everything like high contrast colors? I don't think I did that. Anywho, I'm gonna do this, and then what do we call it? Player receive item. I know I put a capital P in Unreal. I'm gonna change that because I'm trying my best, not really my best, but trying to stay consistent with my naming conventions. There. Lowercase p. So player receive item function, it passes in ID and item num. So now we just need to emit this. ID and item, oops, item num. So then, if you don't know how WebSockets work, the game, in this case, the game sends a message to the WebSocket server with this title, player receive item, right? And it also passes in those two values, player ID and the item number. All the WebSocket server does is then sends that message out to all clients, meaning it sends it back to the game and it sends it to all clients that are on their phone. But because we have this ID here, only the client, the phone client with this ID is going to do something with that message. Everybody else is just basically going to ignore it. That's just how it works. The WebSocket only passes messages, right? It's a security thing so that people on their phones can't directly do anything with the game. And also it's, I don't know, makes it nice and easy. Oh, hey, what's going on, man? Or woman, or they, them, or however you identify. I'm not going to assume. How we doing tonight? Yeah, that's here. So now we need to go to the forest component. And yeah, now I just need to add a new message here. It should be get message, right? Get message, not get message with data? No, I don't know. Oh, I apologize. I do know who you are. Sorry, I'm terrible with names. Glad to see you back. Hope things are going well with your game. I do have it wishlisted on my Steam, if that helps. It does look like a cool game. Can't wait for it to come out. I swear there's a different message for... Oh, it's send message with data. I guess it doesn't matter with... So... Okay. This dot... Yeah. I gotta remember syntax. It's been so long since I've done this. I think that's fine because that's just gonna pass it in as a like a JSON array, I think. So then we need to take. We do data dot ID. Oops. I don't know if this is gonna work or not, but we're gonna try it. If data dot or no. Can I do it that way? We're gonna try it. This dot web socket service dot ID. That's what we're looking for. So if the WebSocket ID matches the ID from the message, then oh, we already have a message here for get item. But I'm not using that anywhere, am I? So how about we just nope. Need this one. Do that and then get rid of this get item here. That works, right? Let's bring you back. And also bring you back one. That's fine. And this case needs to be data dot item num. I don't know if that's gonna work, but we're gonna try it. And this is on not show all inventories. This is on player receive item. And then before I forget, open up my terminal here. This one. Do that again. It's because we have to refresh. Actually, you know what? It does autosave, doesn't it? Yeah. Okay. That should be fine. Let's try it. Probably not gonna work, but you never know until you try. Go here, open up my phone screen so you all can see. Fine, I'll just be Naruto this time. Alright. Please. Please let it be this simple. It never is. Alright, enemy pops up. Enter a minigame here, it's fine. Enemy dies, player takes damage. Item drops. Okay, I'm gonna roll for this item. Got an 81, not a bad roll. I've been getting all high rolls though. Like the lowest roll I've gotten so far is 79. And it's anywhere between 1 and 100. I don't know. Alright, do I get the item? Do I get the item? Do I get the item? Does it show up? No, it doesn't. I didn't think it did. Fine. I can stop this. I'm trying to look through my console of my phone. Or the phone browser, I guess. See if no errors show up. But I have a feeling it's something to do with how I set this up, because the data being passed in is like JSON format. So I don't think I can just say like the parameter values of it. Send message with data. Oh, you know what? It's an array, so it should be data 1. And then if this is data 0, what's this one for? This is for the, I don't want this. So then let's say else console.log data. Oop, data. Let's just do that. Just yeah. This again. There's my boy. As always, if you want your name to be this character, or you want the character to be a name of your choosing, just put the name in chat. I would gladly make new names for this character. I'm getting the grunt spawning a lot first. I don't know why that is. High tier boots, let's go. Roll. Okay, there's a low roll, 47. So yeah, I probably wouldn't win that one. But let's see, because I'm the only player here, I should win it anyway. Do I get it? Okay. Why? Hang on. Stop. I did not get anything printed out. Why did nothing get printed out? Wait, what? Oh no, it's printing that out. No, I don't want to do that. Okay. Did I receive item? Did I receive item? Yes. Any? Ah, that's how I do it. Okay. I need to put it in this format. Then ID, right? Yeah. That. Okay. So then, how does forest component take new player? It doesn't. Startup menu does. Make leader. Where's new player being called? Oh, right here. Right? Am I doing something wrong here? Wait, right here. On new player. Right. Oh, this sends it back to the game. Never mind. Shit. I think this is the first time I've dealt with a message coming from the game going to the client. Which... oh yeah, I don't need you. Yeah. Okay. Actually, wait. I did it again. Save this file, and then there we go. So now, because of that, I feel like we can do what we were doing before. Data dot ID. And I don't know, I feel like this method would also work, but this just looks nicer. And everything loaded properly. So .log data.id data.item. No, nope, not item dropped. Item num. Let's try it. As always, let's try it. Shit, it's 8 o'clock already. Time is flying. All right. Still no mini games. It's fine. Got the bow again. I'm gonna roll. I got a 10. Wow. Okay, that's a low roll. I definitely would not be winning this bow if there were other players. Please just add it to my inventory. Pretty please. No. It's not doing anything at this point. It's just not printing out anything in the console. Let me try to spell out everything right. Player receive item. Player receive item. Make sure I did it right in Unreal too. Player receive item. Okay, let me try adding a message here. log player received item. Player received item. Let's say do this and then do ID and then item num. I don't think I need to do this either. I don't need to do it in that format. Try that. Stop the server. Make sure we save. Restart the server. There we go. Try this again. Please? Pretty please? Please work. What item do we get? Basic sword, alright. If I roll, got a 31, not a good roll. But it's fine. Now just add it to my inventory, or at least print something out. Okay, nothing there, nothing there. Stop this, go back to here. The terminal didn't print anything. Oh, why not? Why aren't you printing anything out? Let me just... Yep, that's all good. Why aren't you printing out anything? Nothing I need to add up here, is there? No. Wondering if I need to do it this way, because it is emitting it, but it's just this one's only being picked up by the game, not by the client. I'm wondering if I have to submit it as that. Do it like that. I don't know. Save. Do that again. Let's try it. I just need something. Just need something here. Because right now I just have no idea what's going on at all. What we get? High tier boots, nice. Roll 87, good roll. Let the timer run out. Nothing printing out in the console. What about over here? Nothing printing out here either. I wonder, is this getting called? Print string. If I can type. Flyer received item, that's fine. Just give me a message. That'll work. Something tells me that's just not getting called. So we should see a message pop up in the top left corner saying Plier received item, because I had a typo. It's fine. Okay, got the bow again. Rolled a 53, not a great roll. Okay, that's the issue. Stop. Alright, we found the source of the problem. Is that this is never happening. So, why not? Oh, because it's setting the ID. That that'll do it. Oh, maybe it should be the ID. Shit. 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 No. That'll do it. We're just dumb. Can someone give me a dumb command in chat? Just exclamation point dumb. Because I made a dumb mistake. I do it a lot. That's why I have the command there. So don't. It's not gonna hurt my feelings. Believe me. It's for people to have a good time out of it. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Shoulder pads, nice. Roll. 32. Shit roll, but we're gonna get it anyway. Hopefully. Okay, but the message popped up. Yes? Okay, wait. Wait. The message popped up. Hang on. Where was it? Force connection manager. Player received. Okay, yes. Player received item was called. Okay. I also have a message in my console for the client. Let's see what it says. Okay, it has the ID. And it has the item number. Good. So wait, let me check. Yes. Okay. Forest component here. Okay, so it logged this, so it's shit. Let's do this dot. Wait, no, I've done this before, right? Have I not? Guess I haven't. Huh. Okay. This dot web socket service dot ID. Let's do that so we can see what the difference is. It's probably just like the one is surrounded in quotes and the other one isn't. How much you want to bet? This is like the exciting part of game dev, I think, when you finally get stuff working. I say that like it's about to start working, like I intend it to. There's a good chance it won't, just because it's me. Ooh, high tier helmet, let's go. I got a 5. Oh man. Well, I wouldn't be getting it if I was actually playing this game with someone else. Alright, so let's see here. Looking at my console. Ah. I see, so it's... What if I did it console.log data 0? Let's try that. Let's go back to this format because it is an array of items. So maybe this will work. We can only hope. Come on, we can do it. It's gonna work this time, right? Really, please. What item do we get this time? Ooh, the high tier axe. Please give me a high roll for this. 94. Let's go. We're getting that. High tier axe is a good item to have. Wait, what? What? Okay, I didn't get the print statement. He got the item, right? So then why is... First equals item images. They're home. Because it didn't give me the print statement, like, meaning it went through, but now nothing's happening. So we just got to do a lot of debugging to figure out what's going on, because it's just a logical error, because I'm not getting any console errors or anything like that. Logical errors are always the biggest pain in the butt to deal with, because you think it should work one way and it's not. What item do we get this time? The high tier helmet again. Let's go. We rolled the 19. Well, don't think we'd be getting this item if we were actually playing this game. Let's see. Okay, so wait a minute. Online 137, it's printing out nothing. Okay, so data dot ID and then data dot item num. Print out data dot ID. Just incorrect syntax somewhere, but I'm not getting a syntax error for it. Excuse me. Oh, I hit the wrong one. Wait, what? Main menu. Yeah, that's what I want. Play, start the game. Come on! We're getting so close. We're getting so close. Please. Give me a good item. Come on. Give me a good item. Mid-tier boots. Alright. 98. I get a 98 for the mid-tier boots, but I get a fucking 19 for the high-tier helmet. Stop. Okay, so it prints out. When I ask for the ID, it gives me the whole thing. So I guess data.id 0? Or wait. Yeah. Right? Do that. And then data.id 1. That's horrible syntax, but maybe it'll work. Why do you do this? Why aren't you named main menu anymore? Anywho. Please. Once I get later into the game, I'm also gonna have to make route guards because right now I can just freely go to any page that I want. And that's not how it should be. Okay, mid-tier boots. I'll roll for it. Got a 38. Not a good roll. Come on, give it to me. Oh! It gave it to me. It gave it to me! Yes! It did it! Fuck yeah. Alright, now let's see what happens. Continue. I still have it apparently. Ooh, now I got some high tier, or no, I got the mid tier boots again. Okay, well, I got a 6, yeah, so if I don't get it, oh well, because I already have this item, but it's not showing the item though, which is unfortunate, but at least, like, you can see the icon for the boots, like, just disappeared, which is good, meaning it gave me the item. So let me figure out what happened there. Nope. Didn't want that. I don't know. Zero, cleared up weapon. Is so okay, we need to change these then. Item images, can we say can we do like app/assets? Is that going to work? Let me change some stuff. Hang on. Let me go to forest here. Does that work? Can I just do assets/chest? That works. Okay. Let's just do that. Just clean some stuff up here. Shit. No. Okay, that's all good. Source equals item images. Yeah, so that needs to change. Here. Instead of this, just do assets. So I changed it to nothingness, which might be because of this, but I think there's also something in place for that ngIf. Let's see. ngIf player helm is less than 0, then do that. ngIf player helm is greater than 2 and less than 6, so 3, 4, 5. Right? Is that my helmet ranges? 3, 4, 5. Yes. Okay, so that's all set up correctly. So then, sorry. Let's just try it again. See if we get it. Actually, you know what? It's 8:30. Let's take a 5-minute break. Okay, go pee, go grab a snack, do whatever. But you got 5 minutes. Then we're gonna come back and we're gonna finish this thing. All right. So we'll be back in 5 minutes or less. Take it easy. All right, we're back. Let's finish up this item thing. Probably not finished up, but you know what I mean. Nope, not that. Not our main menu here. Go. Do this. Go back here. Let's give him a little customization here. Do the green. I like the green. Yeah. Really hard to see. I need to add more light to the main menu for sure. What item's gonna drop this time? Let's see. We're so close. Like, it registers that you're getting the item. Okay. High tier axe. Got a 66. Not an awful roll, but still could be beaten pretty easily, I think. Now, put it in my inventory. Not quite. Up. So I don't think like if player torso, or what did we just do? Weapon? Yeah. Weapon is greater than or equal to 0. And player weapon is less than 3. So 0, 1, 2, right? Class equals slot. Source equals item images. Player weapon. Right, in this, it updates. Oh, it updates it to data. Whoops. Shit. We need to change it to data.id1. That's the issue. I'm definitely gonna have to come back and clean this up because this is gross. Yes. Okay. That should fix that issue. But, of course, we always have to test that. Here we go again. Just gonna leave him basic. Start the game with just our one boy walking through the forest. Enemy pops up. Continue. Mid-tier boots. Roll 28. That's a shit roll. But we're gonna get it anyway, so it's fine. Now, put it in my inventory, please. Let's go! We got the item in our inventory. Fuck yeah. Very cool. The image is a little distorted. I'll have to go back and fix that, but cool. That works. Okay, so next thing I want to do is actually have the player equip that item. So I guess I don't want to do this just yet. We want to get the player, right? Like the group member, not like the blueprint, not the player data here. Get that player and set their value of. I guess I can delete that. What was I saying? Sorry. We want them to actually equip the item, right? So let's go to our group character, this guy. So as you see, they have stuff for helmet, shoulder pads, belt. They do not have anything for weapon though. We'll have to add static mesh. This is going to be weapon. Oops. Weapon left. And we'll add another one. And this will be weapon right. And don't want you under here. There we go. I'll save. Viewport, say weapon left. If we, oh wait, shit. We want it to be parented under our mesh, I guess, because we want it to attach to the hand, right? So if we and R socket left and L socket, and we say where's our X? This one. Yeah. Ooh. That's not right. Why are you like that? Man. Because oh, love the model. Thank you. Not mine. It's definitely one of the free assets that Epic Games gives out every month. But yeah, I agree. I like it a lot too. Hey, 29 followers. Let's go. On the road to 50. I definitely need to add a progress bar for that. But thank you for the follow. Appreciate it. Now what was I doing? I need meshes, weapons. All of my weapons are static meshes, yes. So why is it not working? It's on the road to 50 till PC broke. Oh shit, dude. That's not good. Yeah, I don't know what I would do if my PC broke. I use it for everything. I'm literally like sitting here at my desk like 12 hours a day between work and like streaming, I guess. I don't know. Streaming I only do Sundays, but this is just a brand that might help. I'll have to look at it. Tips are always welcome though. I appreciate any help you try to give. Good or bad. Yeah, these are all static meshes. Why are you not socketing right? Why aren't you socketing in his hand? Literally in the left hand socket. Is there like a right weapon shield and left weapon shield? That might be the right socket. So this is for weapon left. We want this one. It's still not socketing right. Why? Oh, you know what? Actually, get rid of that. Think in a bit you can help me out. I'm in a game jam and I want your opinion. I feel I should add versus competition. I don't know how to have meshes hold weapons yet. You're doing a game jam? That's cool. I would love to help. If you really want help after I'm done streaming, I'm probably only gonna be streaming for maybe another hour. But join my Discord. Link down below. Also, what's the tab that says tabs in? Oh, sorry, I forgot to take that down. That is my phone view, because this is a game that involves playing with your phone. That is my phone screen, and it's just tabs inactive. There it is. So this is like the main menu of my game. Little character customization thing. That's all it is. Sorry. Forgot to take that down. Let's get rid of that. There we go. That's just so you can see what I see on my phone while I'm testing the game. But yeah, I would love to help out with the game jam if you want. I don't know, like, I can't really participate in the game jam. I definitely don't have time for that right now. But if you want to just like pitch an idea to me and like want my feedback, I can definitely do that. I mean, I already. Oh, I see. Yeah, I'd be willing to look at it. Absolutely. I work maybe a week and 2 to 3 hours a night. I mean, that's all you need for a game jam. Like, those are meant to be real simple games. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. So instead of having you here, let's put you on the hands. Weapon left. Let's see. Left weapon, shield. We do this, we do X01. You're still not working right. We just do hand R. Wait, oh, weapon position. There we go. Weapon position. Ooh, no, that's not it. Why are there so many things here? Weapon shield. Nope. Same thing there. And left. Okay. What's going on with this skeleton? Why is this like this? Also looks like you use OBS, and either way, it's just sound alerts. I do use sound alerts. I mean, you talking about like alerts for like when people follow and stuff? I have that. No? What are you talking about? Isn't sound alerts? Oh, I see. You mean like for... Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Maybe. I don't know. I do want to have more ways for chat to be, you know, interactive, but you can kind of run into trouble there a little bit too, I think. Because you don't want your chat to like control your stream. And if I feel like someone could definitely like spam sounds or something, but I don't know. There's probably something in that extension that prevents that, right? Okay, let's try like thumb. What are these bones? Why is it? It doesn't make any sense. Ah, now Unreal's doing the thing. Doing that thing again. I know you can see it like it's fine. But like I can look at OBS and see that it's fine. But looking in my Unreal Editor window, like all the pop-ups are really just fucked. So give me just a second here. Let me go back here. I gotta restart Unreal. Give me just a minute. Posted in little design. Very cool. I like the art for it already. I'll have to take a look at it later. Give me just a moment, because as I'm sure you probably know if you've ever touched Unreal Engine, you know it takes a while to load. You're right, I could. What was the game jam for? I'm always interested in hearing about game jams. World Building Game Jam. Okay. Alright, I'm doing with pups while doing this. Hey, no worries. Alright, downloaded. Perfect timing. Unreal just came back up. Turn down. Okay. I will make sure to do that. I've done that with past game projects too. I understand. Alright. Back to game dev. Let's try this again. Group character. Yeah, so I cannot find a good thing for this, so I may have to just make a custom one, which is fine. Because none of these sockets are in the correct spot. Or that's not a socket, that's a... whatever you call it. Is that a socket? No, I thought a socket was a different icon than that. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. None of these sockets put the weapon in his hand, so I have to create a custom one. Which is fine. We'll just go do that real quick. That's over in here. And meshes? Yes, this one. Alright, skeleton tree. We have our hand socket here. And if we add a preview mesh to this socket, at the axe, it puts it like that. So that honestly doesn't look awful, but it's just for whatever reason when you get to this animation, when I put it there, the socket goes all the way down there. So I don't know. Like, maybe back up a little bit. Something like that, right? When he animates, it should stay in his hand right there. But for whatever reason, it doesn't. Let me try moving this back to mesh. Not that I think it's going to make a difference, because all of these things use the same skeleton, but... Oh, whoops. Using the wrong one. This one. Then open right. And use... No. And our socket. See, like... Neither of them are in the right place. Why is that? Maybe if I go to animation? I don't want the... No, I don't want that one. I want... idle. Idle no weapon. See, like... There, the socket's fine. So why is it all fucked up when... Just I don't even move it so match hands. Well, that's what I'm trying to do here. Because this is just the animation editor. When I go to the blueprint editor, though, it's here, which it might just be... No, that's the same static mesh. Yeah, that's fine. And L socket, right? And L socket, yeah. Different animations, no. Same animation. Same skeleton. It looks fine there. I wonder... That's a preview. Can I try it in the blueprint, you mean? Oh, so you mean like... Well, so... I want it to be attached to a socket so that it moves when the character animates. Because if I just, you know... I can rotate it like this to match his hand, but it won't move with him. It'll just stay right there, right? That's why it needs to be attached to a socket. It's just the sockets aren't lining up for some reason. Let me make sure... Mesh is... Yeah. Let me open this up. See, there it's fine. Because again, it's using this same skeleton. So I need to go to the animation. Preview. I don't know, let's just do cloth 01. It looks fine here. But I don't understand the issue. Trying out to this. Let's see what this is. Them in hand.
Hello everyone, in this tutorial
Oh god, shut up. Let's see, what does he do? He has static mesh for a sword. He's adding a socket. Yeah, he's just adding his own socket. Exactly what I'm doing here. Okay, I just need to make a new socket, I guess. Let's remove all attached assets. Let's... Where's our hand left? Let's add a socket. This will be... Can I not name this socket? No. There we go. Weapon left socket, right? That was the left hand we attached that to, I think. Call it that. Give it a preview. Asset of the axe. It's still in the same spot, but it's fine. Do that. Alright. Save. Compile and save. Let's try adding that to that new socket we created. Still putting in the same spot. Why are you being difficult? Why is it doing that? Why is it saying the socket is here when really it's right there? Pencil, arrow, mesh. Weapons attached to the mesh. If I attach to hand. Oh, it looks in the blueprint. That is true. Okay, now it's in a different spot. Is it because... Oh. Wait. It puts it in a different spot for... like where the... like what it's attached to. Attach it here, and then change it to this. And now it's up here. And it makes no sense. Attach it to feet? Wait, what? No. No, don't do that. I want you to go to feet. Thank you. Where to go? It's just going up higher and higher now. I don't know. Let's add something in here. Let's give him double axe. See, that one's not good either. Put you in feet here, and then give you and our socket, and change you back to hand, or no, shit. You need to be hand left. Yeah, why you do that, I don't know, but we're gonna play around with it. Let's try it, I guess. Just to make sure we're not totally insane. Menu, this one. Yes. Let's play. Pull up my phone view so you can see. If you want to suggest a name in chat for this character, feel free to do so. I'm just going to play around with some character customization. Looks fine to me. No names posted, so I'm just gonna name him Sid. He did the thing again. Why do you do this? Alright, whatever, you're just gonna be the basic bitch character. Be like... Why? Why did they do that? Oh wait, here. That why? It's literally, it just fucked up all the values whenever I attached it. That's what it did. I just had another dumb moment. Give me a dumb command if you're in chat. Give me a dumb command, because I am stupid. Let's go here. Hand L. Where's his other hand? There it is. You. Welcome back. I figured out the issue. It's fine. Here and here. Save that. So now if we go back here, there we go. Now they're properly in his hands. I mean, kind of. Maybe we can move them out a little bit farther and a little bit more down. Same thing with this side. We can delete this socket. And this one, add a preview, add the axe. Save that. That's good enough. I'm not going to be super picky with it. Looks kind of goofy, but alright. If I attach these back to the mesh, and then zero out all these values, and then set the this is left, so left hand, this one, zero out everything, and attach it to the right hand, or shit, not that one. Yeah, that one. There we go. Okay, clear out the item, because we don't want him to have items to start. So now we need, let's see, group character, no, we need the group blueprint. Come on, open the folder, please. Not that one. This one. Messy stuff. Here. After the player receives item, you need to say, tell that player to equip the item. So then, get all actors of class. There's probably a more efficient way to do this, but it's fine for now. Efficiency is for later, not for prototyping. Group character, no. I want to cast. I don't need to drag off of here actually. I just need to get group character. Yep. All actors of class group character. And do for each with break. And from this we say go here, we say get ID. Do we have to cast first? Do I really have to? No, because it's already a group character. Yeah. It's already group character object reference. Yeah, so we have to say get player. Do I not have? Oh, I guess I have name. I don't have. Okay, that's fine. Get player data. Split this. If their ID equals just grab our local variable because it should be the same. Equals that. Then branch. If this condition is true, then we can equip the item and then break the for each loop. Break this for each loop. So we'll need to make a function in our group character here, or we'll call it, well, custom event first. We'll call it equip item. Compile, save, and then we'll say equip, change off context. Target is group character, and we want this specific group character. Then we can break here. Once this is completed, we can then break this one. Alright. So then we gotta go here. We gotta say we need the item number. So we need to make an input for you. Item num. You're gonna be an integer. Go back to our group, plug that in real quick. Drag another one this way. Drag another reroute node, just so it's not super messy with wires everywhere. I know it already is, but it's fine. Yeah, there we go. So, item num here, this is going to be a value between 0 and 11, depending on what item they get. We can do a switch statement here. So we need to add 12 pins, or 11 pins, I guess. It already had one. Remove the default pin. There we go. Alright, so 0, 1, and 2 are your weapons. 3, 4, and 5 are your helmets. 6, 7, 8 are your torso items. 9, 10, and 11 are your boots. I think. Let me make sure I have that right. Yes, here's the numbers. 0, 1, and 2 weapons. 3, 4, 5 are helmets. 6, 7, 8 is torso. And 9, 10, 11 is boots. Yes. Okay. So, so 0, 1, and 2 is weapons. So we're not going to worry about dual wielding weapons because that's you will only be able to do that if you get a certain item. You get the backpack. It gives you an extra weapon slot. We're not going to worry about that right now. For now, we're just going to use the weapon right. And then we're going to say set static mesh. Copy that twice over. This will be our weapon. Plug that in there, plug that in there. Alright, so 0 is our basic sword. I think that's the right one. Let me make sure. Weapons. Let's see. Sword 01, yes. Alright. Sword 01, bow 02, and axe 01 are what we want. So this is the bow. We want bow 02, and then axe 01. Alright, there's our weapons. The next is helmets. So for the helmets, we're also going to have to reset the hair because the way these meshes work. Oh, Upside Yonder, raiding with a party of 16. What up? Thank you for the raid. Glad you could be here. Sorry if I missed that. I'm really bad about checking chat. What was I saying? With the helmet, there's meshes for like half hair, I guess. Like, so it's like the hair is, you can still see the hair, but it's not like clipping with the helmet. So we'll have to set that based on whatever hair the player picked, right? But we can worry about that later, I think. Anywho. Have a good stream, man. I'll be back later if you're still on. Thanks, dude. I might not be on. I don't know. I will probably be done streaming here in another half hour or so, but appreciate it. I do stream on Sundays if you're interested, so I'll be around for sure. Alright, we can just do set static. No? Oh, set. Sorry. We have to set skeletal mesh because this is a skeletal mesh component. This, do this, but this is 3, 4, and 5. Alright, so wait. I want to do this. I know I made blueprint items, but I don't know if I can use those. At least not the way I've set it up now. Might have to go back and do that. Ugh. For the time being, we'll just stay the way we are. Helmet. I want to say helmet 02 is the basic one. Let me go double check. Meshes, modular body parts, helmets. Helmet 2 is the basic one. Helmet 5 is the mid tier, and helmet 7 is the high tier. So 2, 5, and 7. So helmet. Oh, it's just helm. Okay. Helm 05 and helm 07. I can type that correctly. I still can't. Fine. Alright, helmets done. Put this down here. Next we've got the, I guess, shoulder pads. I should have named it torso because it's not just shoulder pads. But anywho. Gonna be skeletal meshes again because these things have animations. And let me go check what items I used. So I used the basic one is the shoulder pads, which are shoulder pads 02. The mid tier is the backpack. Oh shit. Hey man, you do you. Go do what you want. I probably won't be on too much longer anyway. this is going to be an issue because the backpack is a static mesh for whatever reason. I need to fix this because this is gonna get messy real quick. Because I have it set up. I do have blueprints for all the items. Here they are. Weapons are here. Yeah, okay. I need to go back to my group character. Darn it, this is gonna be messy. Before you dip, don't forget to do /raid. Yeah, I should do that. I'm really bad about doing that. As in, I've never done it before. But I can see how it's helpful to other people. I need to figure out who to raid though. If you have any suggestions, let me know. At least for tonight. Yeah, this is gonna be really messy, and I really don't feel like doing this tonight, so we're gonna call it here. Yeah, we're gonna call it here. Hey, Manadano? I hope that's how you pronounce it. If not, let me know. But thanks for the follow. Appreciate it. All right, I'm gonna trust you, dude. I'm gonna read this person. Cracklefang. Yeah, I might want to do that first. One sec. Oops, I'm moving stuff. Let's see. Is there anybody streaming that I know? That's nope. Nobody's live. All right, cool. Well, you know what? There is this guy that I really like watching. He's funny. He's showing up in my recommended, so I'm gonna do that. Here we go.